Hello everyone and welcome to streamandtechnow. Thanks for joining me. I've got a real quick video for you today that you're definitely going to want to stay tuned for. I've got 3 apps that you need to uninstall right now. There's been a flood of videos from various YouTube reviewers on the app called VirusTotal. It's an excellent app that analyzes files, URLs. It detects viruses, worms, Trojans, all kinds of malicious content using various antivirus engines and different kinds of website scanners. It's an excellent app. And these 3 apps have been brought to my attention. We need to go ahead and uninstall these, at least until they are updated with a clean version. I'm going to show you what they are coming up next. So the first one we're going to talk about is a music application that I know probably a lot of you have used or currently are using right now. It's called SetBeat Music, and I've removed it from my file link store. And as you can see, it is infected. It is in red, and this is in the VirusTotal. And as you can see, it has 8 bad engines out of 60. So this is definitely one that is concerning, and you're going to want to go ahead and remove this one and uninstall it right now. Alright, next up is an application that a lot of people use for live cable. It's called VSAT. Now, VSAT is an app that actually works pretty good, but it's an app that I actually removed my video a while ago, and as you can see, it has 8 bad engines. So if you have VSAT, go ahead and uninstall it until a new update comes and we can get a clean version. Again, the name of the app is called VSAT. Alright, and finally we have a very popular sports APK called MemSports. Now, I know a lot of you use this app, and this is probably going to take you by surprise. As you can see, it is in orange. It's not quite in red, but it is suspicious, and it's got 5 bad engines, so it's just a little bit too suspicious for me. So at this moment, I recommend going ahead and uninstall it, at least until we can get a clean, updated green version, and hopefully we'll get that real soon. So if the developer's watching this, please put out a brand new version that is in green. Guys, I hope this information was helpful. I know it was just a quick video, but I just wanted to bring these apps to your attention. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time on Stream and Tech Now.